Can you get over that? I don't think you can do it. You need like the rock, but you can't.
We're supposed to go the other way. We're supposed to come this way.
That trail out was killing you on the other side, and I think this is the back side of it. We're almost there.
I know. Oh, that got worse.
Oh, yeah.
That ain't good. You gotta be way the fuck over there.
I think
Could you back up a little?
yeah.
Hey, Siege, we gotta go the other way.
You gotta be way the fuck over there. Dry land. You alright?
I knew the log was coming up.
Why don't we just winch over?
Why don't we just throw a bunch of logs up there? A bunch of tree branches.
What if you stay on the right side?
Yeah, the right side, throw a bunch of tree branches. No. You gotta do that either.
Huh?
You're not even in four-wheel drive.
Yeah, it is. I gotta get.
You gotta get way the
What's
fuck
behind me?
Nothing, you're good.
Good?
Okay. Yeah, you're good. That's it. That's it.
You gotta get way the fuck over there. Well, nobody else can make it over. You're the only person who can make it over. Nobody makes it over. That ain't gonna work either. We ain't getting over this fucker. Not unless you throw. You know, you can probably throw a whole bunch of these logs over there. Maybe. Looks like that's what somebody else did. You gotta hit it hard up there and then slide up. Was that a one?
Oh yeah, that's all. I made it.
You know, maybe throw a bunch of tree branches down there.
So what do you want to do? You want to winch yourself up?
I'll just winch myself.
Okay,
I need somebody to winch. But
I'm gonna stop here or go a little farther. Can you get? Or you gotta get out?
I can get out.
Well, I gotta
Get out
sit in my
here.
car.
What's that? You got what?
I gotta sit in here and hold the brakes.
Oh.
What do you want?
The only thing I was thinking is throwing a bunch of tree limbs down there.
That's good. Son of a budge.
He's got stuff.
Nathan.
Well, I got some too. Nathan got some. All right, keep some.
That's fine. You remember how to unloosen it? Reach in on his side behind the bumper.
I know he.
No, I already did it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Pull slack out, Nathan. Pull slack out of the winch then.
This.
Pull slack. There you go.
What is going on?
I don't know. I got you on film though.
Gotta take your gloves off to figure this out.
Yeah, take those gloves off.
Nope, watch this.
How isn't that complicated?
No. Too many video games.
Should I walk around?
Just pull enough or walk around.
I'm not gonna walk through the mud puddle while you're holding it.
Now hand it to John. He'll go hook it up. You got to go back over to the deal and put it in gear. Do you remember how to do that?
We'll turn it up. Is that all you got?
No, no.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. What am I supposed to do?
Follow that orange thing up. Follow the orange thing up. You see the side of the winch?
Up inside it.
Follow the A-arm up.
This?
Yep, follow that up. See that round thing in there? Where the winch should be at?
No.
It should be higher up.
Y'all can do that. I am.
See right here?
Okay. There we go. That's all it is. Now I know.
Oh yeah. Wait till he gets in and hits his brake. Oh, I didn't make that very easy. Okay. Whoa. Hey, Lucille.